Welcome back to another new video. Some important question based on computer. Question number 1. The word computer is derived from which word? Option A Greek, B French, C Latin, D Italy. The answer is option number A Greek. Next question. A computer system consists of dash. A. Software and program. B. Hardware and software. C. Mouse and keyboard. D. Circuit diagram. The answer is option number B. Hardware and software. Question number 3. 1 byte is equal to dash. Option A 2 bits. Option B 4 bits. Option C 8 bits. Option D 16 bits. The answer is option number C 8 bits. Next question. Which one is a brain of computer? Option A keyboard. Option B CPU. Option C monitor. Option D hard disk. The answer is option number B CPU. Next question. CPU stands for dash. Option A central programming unit. Option B central processing unit. Option C central planning unit. Option D central progress unit. The answer is central processing unit. Next question. CPU consists of dash. Option A control unit and ALU. Option B storage device and ALU. Option C input and output device. Option D input device and control unit. The answer is option number A control unit and ALU. Next, a program that infects other program by modifying them is called dash. Option A virus, B antivirus, C web page, D notepad. The answer is option number A virus. The expansion of LAN is dash. Local area name. Option B local area network. Option C logical area network. Option D legal area network. The answer is option number B local area network. What is the shortcut key for copy? Option A Control C. Option B Control V. Option A Control A. Option D Control X. The answer is option number A Control C. Next question. The expansion of WAN is dash. A. Wide area name. B. Web assigned name. C. Wide area network. D. Web added network. The answer is option number C wide area network. Next question. The expansion of ROM is dash. Option A read octet machine. B read only memory. C random only memory. D rewrite octet machine. The answer is option number B read only memory. The expansion of LAN is dash. Option A local area name. Option B local area network. Option C logical area network. Option D legal area network. The answer is option number B local area network. Next, the expansion of RAM is dash. Read octet machine, random access memory, read access memory, random access machine. The answer is option number B random access memory. Google is a dash. Option A search engine. B number in math. C chat service. D microprocessor. The answer is option number A search engine. JPG extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A system file. B animation file. C movie file. D image file. The answer is option number D image file. Next, what does EPROM stand for? Option A electric programmable read only memory. Option B erasable programmable read only memory. ऑप्शन सी इवैल्यूएबल फिलोटिक रैंडम ऑप्टिक मेमोरी, ऑप्शन डी एवरी पर्सन रिक्वायर्स वन माइंड। द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इरेजेबल प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली मेमोरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, computers calculate numbers in what mode? Option A decimal, B octal, C binary, D none of the above. The answer is option number C binary. Next, the letters DOS stand for dash. Option A data out system, B disk out system, C disk operating system, D data operating system. The answer is option number C disk operating system. Which one is an input device? Speaker, joystick, monitor, printer. The answer is option number B joystick. Next question, which one is a social networking site? Outlook Express, Facebook, Lotus Notes, Mozilla. The answer is option number B Facebook. Main circuit board in a computer is dash, highlight, decoder, motherboard, DVD. Option number C motherboard. What is the website code for the country United Kingdom? Option A GB, option B UK, option C EN, option D EG. The answer is option number B UK. Next question, where all deleted files will be stored? A CD, B official folder, C personal folder, D recycle bin. The answer is option number D recycle bin. Next question, what is shortcut key for paste command? A control C, B control V, C control A, D control X. The answer is option number B control V. Next, which device is used to connect telephone line to a PC? A modem, B monitor, C printer, D hard disk. The answer is option number A modem. Which of the is not a computer language? A Windows 98, B Pascal, C Fortran, D C++. ए क्वेश्चन टी रहिला आपण मानक पई यार आंसर आपण माने कमेंट माध्यम रे कमेंट रे जणाई पारिबे। थैंक यू।